Hi students, I am Naresh. Welcome to my channel Jet I Teach. Exercise 1.1. An army contingent of 616 members is to march behind an army band of 32 members in a parade. The two groups are to march in the same number of columns. What is the maximum number of columns in which they can march? Okay, there are two groups of army team, so they need to march in same columns. So we need to find HCF for that. I will show why we need to find HCF. First I will write what they are given. Army contingent members 616, army band members 32. Okay, so we need to find out how they need to arrange both the army teams. Okay, what they given again in the question, they given two groups will march in the same columns. Okay, columns. Okay, here need to find HCF to find maximum number of columns. Okay, so we need to find HCF that we need to check on this. Okay, so we have a 32 team members band. Here we have 32 team members band. Okay, and 616. There are two bands here. Sorry, two army teams are there, so we need arrange them. If you look from here, there should be in order. So everyone is aware that how army march will be happen in the same number of columns. Okay, we need to find out how many columns. So okay, how many columns we need to find out. Okay, first you will find HCF, then you will come to know why you need to find HCF. By Euclid's algorithm, so 616 you can write as 616 equal to 32 into what we can write 10 times 20, no, 20 is more, looks 19, 5, 8, 6, not 8, it's like you will get 8, 32 into 19 plus 8, again you need to do this one with 8, clearly it's 4 8s are 32, remainder is 0, so HCF is 8, okay, HCF is 8, okay, at remainder now remainder is 0 at divisor is 8, so HCF of 616, 32 is 8, okay. So therefore they can march in 8 columns. Each. What will happen if they march in 8 columns? This is nothing but 8, okay, this is nothing but 4. This is 77. Okay, if you look at it, so 32 is on band, so next 616 is the army people, okay, so number of columns is 8, so the number of rows is 4. Just this is for your understanding, you don't need to write in the examination, okay, so 8 fours are 32, so 8 77s are 616. So in this way they will march, okay, they are in 8 columns, okay, depend on the number of people, army team, the rows will be adjusted accordingly. So because of this reason we need to find HCF, okay. So example 4, a sweet seller has 420 Kaju burfis and 130 Badam burfis. She wants to stack them in such a way that each stack has the same number and they take up the least area of the tray. What is the number of that can be placed in each stack for this purpose? Okay, sweet seller has two types of burfis. She wants to arrange them in a tray in such a way that it will take least area. Okay, first we will write what they are given in the question. Kaju burfis, for 20, Badam burfis 130. Okay, need to place burfis in stack and each stack has same number, has same, each stack has same number. And need to take least area of the tray. Okay. To find this, you may need to find HCF. I will let you know why you need to find HCF. Need to find HCF to find maximum number of burpees can be placed in each stack. Okay, need to find the HCF to find maximum number of burpees can be placed in each stack. Okay, this is what they given in the question. So we need to find HCF. Why we need to find HCF, and I will explain. Okay, if you get 420 burpees and 130 burpees. Okay, stack them. Okay, the burpees, I will explain this. So first we will find HCF by using Euclid's algorithm. By Euclid's algorithm, 420 equal to 130 into, it's 3 times, so 390 plus 30, so it is not a 0, remainder is not a 0. Redo this again, it's a 4 times, remainder is 10, so it's not 0. Then redo this, 30, now remainder is 0, then HCF is 10. Okay, HCF is 10, so we need to, HCF is 10, we need to place like this, HCF is 10, so it is 42 and 13, so okay, so since HCF is 10, so we need to place 10 burpees in each stack, so that it will be arranged like that. It's a 13 tens are 130, 42 tens are 420, in such a way that rows and columns can be arranged for each burpee, so that it will take the least number of space in the tray. So we will write a closing statement. Therefore, the sweet seller can make stacks of 10 for both kinds of burfi. Therefore, sweet seller can make stacks of 10 for both kinds of burfis. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe this channel.